All come today to remember. We come together in gratitude and in reflection to honour the men and the women who gave their lives in the service of our country, and all those who have suffered and sacrificed in the cause of peace and freedom. On this day and in this place, we pause to remember those who left homes and families to serve in war, those who never returned. My mother's first husband, she was married in September 1939 as he went off to serve, and 3 months later she was widowed. So we all have contacts and know the hurt that has been. And we remember those who did return, but whose lives were changed forever. We remember the courage of the forces and civilians in conflicts, past and unfortunately present. And we recommit ourselves to the cause of peace, that their sacrifice may never be in vain. So on this day also, let us renew our dedication to the task of bringing the inner peace of Christ to those around us, and the news of his gracious kingdom to the people of the world. Let us then pledge ourselves anew and always. Amen. Today, let us recall before God those who have died in the cause of freedom and in the service of others, especially those whom we knew and whose memories we treasure.
They shall grow not old, as we that are left grow old. Age shall not weary them, nor the years condemn. At the going down of the sun, and in the morning, we will remember them.
We will remember them.